Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this quick tutorial. If you have ever experienced Microsoft Outlook giving you an issue, well sometimes when you run into that issue, to fix it, whether it happened when maybe Microsoft Outlook would not open, or maybe you went to send an email from Act software and it just wasn't responding the way you see fit, or as in a recent situation, I had a client that was trying to send a V card on one particular computer in his office and it wouldn't work. So how do you deal with this? How do you fix Microsoft Outlook issues when they appear? Well, let me tell you what I will generally try to do. Sometimes the real goal here is to make sure that Microsoft Office is running properly. Down on the very bottom left of my screen, I'm going to, in the search box, type in Control Panel. And as I start typing that up, I see it right up here, so I'm going to click on that. And once I go into the Control Panel, you're going to see that I have some options here. One of the options is Programs and Features, and I'm going to click on that. Now, once I get inside this, I'm going to scroll down to where it says Microsoft 365, and that's what I have. I have the subscription, but even if you have the installed version, you can go in, but navigate down to Microsoft. I'm going to right-click on this, and I'm going to go down and click on Change. And when I click on Change, I have two repair issues. The quick repair is very easy to work with. All I do is click on Repair, and I will run this. But the online repair, when you do this, a lot of times you have to understand or know what your Microsoft.com credentials are. So in other words, if you go to your Microsoft account, your Microsoft Office account, you typically have an email address and password. You have to be aware of that if you do the online repair. That's a little more elaborate. It takes a little bit longer. But typically, I just run the quick repair. So I'm going to click on quick repair. Well, it's already selected, but I'm going to click on repair, and I'm going to do it again. Click on repair. So this box will come up, and it will start going through the process. Now, if you had a lot of things open, I do recommend closing things like your Microsoft Office programs. If you have Outlook or Excel or Word open, make sure they're closed before you do this, because if not, it's just going to tell you got to close this. So if you plan ahead. But my experience has been a lot of times if you have issues between Act and Microsoft Outlook, or even just in general with Microsoft Outlook, this can solve that problem. So at this point, I'm just going to let this repair, and I will come back when it's done. Okay, so now I let that run. It probably took in total less than 2 minutes, but it says done repairing. So if you're having a problem with Microsoft Outlook or any issues, after you close this, go back in and try to open up Microsoft Outlook, and many times this will fix it. If not, you want to do the more advanced repair, try that. But again, you need your credentials from Microsoft, and that's how you fix it. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.